New tonight, we're still in mosquito season, and here in the Central Valley, it's proving to be deadly. Just this past weekend, a Madera County woman died from the West Nile virus after being bitten by a mosquito. Our Kirsten Mitchell spoke with a very close family friend who wanted to share her story in hopes of helping others.
West Nile virus is not something most people think about every day, but it can be a serious disease. In Madera County, whenever there's a case, the Mosquito and Vector Control District goes out to the area to try to mitigate the problem. Standing outside the Chowchilla Market, where her friend of 35 years used to work.
It's just a deep loss, just so suddenly.
Donya Rambo still can't believe a mosquito bite led to her friend's death.
She just thought she had a flu or something. She had a bad fever and then ended up having a stroke.
Donya wants to keep her friend's name private, but says she was 62 years old, healthy, and didn't know where or when she was bit. Shortly after testing positive for West Nile virus, she passed away at the hospital. According to the CDC, there's no treatment for West Nile. While 80% of people won't have any symptoms, of those who develop severe illness, 1 in 10 will die.
Certainly with COVID and heading towards flu season, people with flu-like symptoms might have any of a number of different viruses.
That's why Madera County Public Health Director Sarah Boss says to get tested. Since 2003, the state has reported more than 7,000 human cases of West Nile and more than 300 deaths. So far this year, they've reported at least 35 human cases across 15 counties. Mosquitoes don't need a lot of water to breed, just enough to fit in a bottle cap. That's why it's important to drain any standing water and protect yourself from mosquitoes, especially during dawn and dusk.
And you can do that by, first of all, just avoiding the outdoors during those times, wearing long sleeves, and of course using FDA-approved mosquito repellent.
I just don't want another family to lose one so fast and people to think that this has gone away.
The health department says whenever there's a case of West Nile virus, they work with local healthcare providers to encourage them to test for the virus, as well as educate their patients and community. Reporting in Madera County, Kirsten Mitchell, KC24, local news that matters.